all the community lovers, beloved members, obviously Umar from the Link Manager team, our co-host Kuhu ma'am, other members, Pranjal, as well as everyone who is looking and watching this video at this point of time, including all the YouTube lovers. We have just come up with this amazing session for you all, wherein we do have the amazing personality Umar with us. He is there to answer all of our questions. We have just tried to do it in basis of a theme. We are just trying to solve the various problems which the users are facing these days. We will help you in this session that how can you create the traffic, how can you increase the brand awareness, as well as how can you do a very customized and a completely solutionized the branded link management with the help of a tool which we are just gonna discuss in this session. So welcome you all. I would like to give it now to Omar to please take it over and help us with the introduction and the tool.
Thank you so much. Uh, it is very honor for us to be, launch our deal on the DealMirror. It's one of the we have heard a lot of good things about it, and I hope that is going to be a big deal for us. So yes, so I'm gonna show you what is the link manager and what are the how much power it has when it comes to the brand awareness and how to monitor your marketing efforts and see how things are going in different directions and where to put the more efforts. So it's not only just marketing tool, but it also tell you which particular channel and which particular from which particular way the traffic is getting the more converting and how you can add them back into your ads retargeting as well. So should I have to share my screen, right?
Yeah, right. Or if Kuhu would like to ask anything, Kuhu, would you like to ask from the Umar anything journey related or something like that?
I'm thrilled to know about this product. It promotes your links, increases traffic, and brand awareness. Wow, what a tool. So, Umar, I'm keen to know that how you started your journey and how you elevate the idea of making this tool.
Okay, there is very surprising thing. Actually, we have been into the marketing since 2015. So we were a bunch of students working on different freelance projects and to take the brands to the next level by their doing their social media marketing and emails marketing, etc. So we realized this pain that there is no particular way to label the traffic and also to see the efforts and the outputs of one person individually, like
Yeah.
we are doing
Yeah.
the same thing, right? So you cannot distinguish it between the which person efforts is doing the best, which from which particular way you are getting the most traffic and which where you should invest more. So that was the one of the main thing that often marketers do face this challenge as well. So we came up with the solution. Let's build the link shortening tool, plus with some advanced cases and features that other tools do not have. That is, for example, I I launch a campaign and I want to make sure that whenever a person click on my link, I want to add it into my Google retargeting list as well, right? So that is something a bit advanced level use case as well. So whenever a person going to my click on my link, whether it's from WhatsApp group even, you share yours with your colleagues click on it, they will be added into the your Google target audience automatically through Link Manager. So that is some level of advanced cases we brought up in the Link Manager. Then we brought up query parameters as well, like for example, you are pushing Link Manager on DealMirror, right? So you want to see that how many users coming from Link Manager, for example, right? So we can pass the query parameter in the link that whenever there is a person click on this particular link, the source of this tracker will we should be labeled as DealMirror in our Google Analytics, right? So we can see Google Analytics easily and see which how much traffic labeled with the deal mirror to just to quickly understand the performance or outcome, right? So these are the some use cases as well, a bit advanced but very helpful to see the output and efforts. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, starting a new thing requires to deal with difficulties. So tell me about the challenges you faced while developing this tool.
Yeah, actually, actually, to be honest, like this was one of its kind tool that we built. We haven't have such an experience of like say link building because this is the first time. So we do not we definitely faced a lot of challenges when it's come to do something that is very first time. But again, the thing is to build put some advanced feature we have to invest a lot of time in testing and see the technical feasibilities of these things and I think, in fact, the very first link we tested was about our Potter Hunt launch link that we just threw it away and then see the performance and analytics as well. That was the one thing that made us to go with it with the link manager. That was I will share that link and the stats of that links in my demo. So just to give you an idea how the things work. Plus, that was our main motivation to see the results and just to see the actual power of the link manager. So yeah, so that's why we kept going based on some stats that were very helpful as a marketer.
Yes. Okay, how Link Manager solves the problem for which it is designed for.
All right. So link manager can be used in multiple ways, to be honest. So there, it has team collaboration part, it has brands management part, it has link retargeting, it has labeling, traffic labeling part as well, then privacy note. So we have pretty much covered a lot of things in Link Manager to make it a bit more advanced as compared to other tools in the market available. Definitely, you have to be some different from the existing tools to be stand out and to do something better than them. So we had that in mind. That's why we came up with the Link Manager. So as I told you, further there are we identified that there are a lot of people who are especially affiliate marketers affiliate they use a lot of link manager as well for their affiliations because it is much more very targeted and very specified tracking as when it's come to see the output. So affiliates are using a lot of link manager as well.
Yeah, it's an
Really
astounding
great.
tool. Yeah, that allows you to create short and attractive brand links that
Yeah.
can be shared across various platforms.
Yeah, definitely. So one last thing I would love to share that was we had an experience. We used a different tool for product management and team management as well. Can be like Slack and then Basecamp as well. So whenever you share a link, for example, a Google Drive link, it's
Yeah.
gonna like this much, right? So let's say one, 2 to 3 lines. So that is very, looks very unprofessional and also very, not make things look very, professional. So that was another thing that we often our team and other teams as well use this whenever they have to share a long link. They just put in the link manager, short it and share it with the. They can also see how many people have watched that video, how many people have performed that action, etc. So just to make sure that things are going as planned and how things are going, etc.
Perfect. Really great, Umar. Two things I would like to add on, really. The first thing which you said, I would say the very important one over it was that whenever I just talk about a brand, whenever I talk about the awareness, whenever I talk about a product, the first thing which comes in the mind is the link. Be it the LTT platform, be it the promotional platforms, anywhere which you wanna show your product, which you do have, the first thing which actually takes you to that product is the link. Whenever I click that, I just reach there.
Yeah,
So
yeah, you can just imagine the possibilities and the power. There people do share a lot of links. For example, it can be
great.
YouTube link, YouTube video link. It can be Google Drive link. etc. So what if that link has a lot of power, a lot of reach, right? So what if you convert that link into your own personal website link, right? It can be, I have my own personal website, heyumar.com. So instead of sharing the youtube.com link, I just shared the heyumar.com/youtube video link, etc. So they also getting seeing my website instead of the YouTube or different platforms, and they can also make it also build more authenticity as well and more trust.
Really, and it
Yeah.
actually gives so very much professionalism, as you said, as well as it gives a personal touch to everything which
Exactly.
we
Yes.
wanna convey to the people.
Mm.
Second thing, Umar, which you added, very important, is the affiliate marketing. Yeah, hopefully I'm the affiliates manager for DealMirror. I can definitely tell you my practical experiences that the affiliates are very much cautious and aware about their link because they know that whatever the commission they are just gonna get through the product, it's only when that link is visible to the product. So it's only when you add the question mark and that reference, it's only that reference URL which act as your payment. So definitely, Umar, very important thing which you said that, yeah. So how I can indeed say that what a great tool and what a very useful tool for all the digital marketers and as well as the affiliate marketers.
Yeah, I see that I have sold my product to you, and DealMirror is one of our potential customer now.
Really great, really great. Yeah, indeed. And I know, but the product will be just now rocking everywhere, and the people will be just a big fan of link manager. That oh, really, everyone wants actually a better link management. Everyone wants that. Oh no, I want a very simple tool to have to just get it done, and for that it's very easy. So indeed, Umar, just to add on, people are very much thrilled. People are just really waiting eagerly so that Umar can give us a live demo of the
Live
product.
demo.
They are eagerly waiting that yes, please, if you could help us with that, and we can see that how the tool actually works and helps the people. So if you could share your screen and show us a live demo, that would be a great help, Umar.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Give me- can you see my screen?
Uh, yes, now it's visible.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So this is basically the web main landing page of the link manager. So as I told you, link manager is a tool that allows you to not only link shortening but also link retargeting, and then you can add your custom domains to for the brand awareness and share that links with your customers and your users as well. So here is a quick example. You can see in the illustration, this user is have a very big long link, and he is just replacing it with the very shortened link, just to give you an idea how much it is very convenient in link manager to shorten the link and make it more professional. So here are some features that link manager has. One is link shortening, definitely. Then the link retargeting. So whenever there is a person who clicks on your link, it will be added into your any ad platform target audience. It can be Facebook ads, it can be Google ads, it can be for Quora, etc. Then comes the analytics, where you can see from which country you are getting the clicks, from which particular source you are getting the links, and also the stats like the browser, and then specific operating system. It can be Windows or Mac operating system as well, to see how much from which most of the users are coming from. Then there is a part of team collaboration. You can invite your team members, give them specific permissions. Then definitely you can create a custom link for your domains as well. Like it can be dealmirror.com/link manager, or it can be anything to increase your brand awareness, plus also make the link sharing more professional, and make it more short as well. Then you can have multiple domain names within the link manager as well. So I will take you one of every feature by one by one when we go into the link manager. All right. So there are the three main, one of the main three important or importance of the link shortening is that it increases the brand awareness. You get the real time track of your links, how many people have clicked from which country they were, which operating system they were using, from which browser, etc. And also it definitely increases the conversion rate by making it more professional and authentic. So let's get into link manager. All right. So when you come into the link manager after logging in, you can see all of your links here and with some quick stats. For example, how many clicks they have clicked on this particular part, and then you can see particular sources as well. Then if we open a specific link, for example, this is the link that I was talking about, the product hunt launch. So basically we launched our product hunt as well, and we wanted to see the output of our efforts through our social media. So how much people can click on our links if we spread it on our social media, and to see the potential reach. So you can see the stats that the flow of the clicks by time to time. Then you can see total number of clicks on particular post that has how many of them were unique clicks as well. And then you can see the device tag, whether they were from desktop or from phone and tablets, etc. Then you can see the platforms as well. So you can see that Windows, Android, iOS, and Linux, etc. Then you can at the right hand you can see the countries with the number of the clicks they the most. So it ranked the countries based on the number of clicks. Right. So you can see if 85 clicks were from United States and 40 from Pakistan, then from Germany and India as well. Then comes browsers. You can see the most of the people came from the Chrome as well. Then you can see the referral link as well, from which particular link they were mostly coming from as well. So you can see this kind of information is very helpful when it comes to curate your social media strategy and see which devices mostly users are using. And then you can see the very recent clicks as well. Let's say this link was clicked by one of the person just 15 hours ago, while this was created in June, I think. So you can see the latest real time reports as well within the link manager. All right, so this is how you can see the reports. Plus, you can shorten the link by just clicking on here. Click on shorten, then you can see the different brands and paste the long your link here, and then it will automatically create the shortened link as well. So I will get back to you creating the custom links in link manager after some time. Let me take you to the brands where I can show you how you can add your custom domains and then use them to create shortened link with the branded domain names. All right, so we are here in the brand. You can see that I have right now two brands. One of them is this default is usually created automatically by Link Manager. Then we have Humor, my personal brand as well, and then we have another domain custom brand as well. So let me take you to the my own brand, that is Humor. So basically, Humor is my personal website as well, heyhumor.com. So so whenever I share my links with my own network, I use my own personal domain as well to also give them idea that they can also learn about me on my personal website as well. So this is how you can increase your brand, and you tell people as well without knowing them that you are telling to them to go to their website as well. So in the brand, you have to give it a name. Then here is the interesting part: query parameters. Query parameters is used as a labeling basically. For example, for product hunt launch link, we use one of social media, our label basically. we can see that our through our reach. Okay, so in the Google Analytics, there was labeled with the there was a traffic labeled with the social media as well. So all of that website, sorry, traffic came from that particular shortened link as well. So you can add as many labels as you want, and also give the traffic a label based on your, particular custom links. Further, for the affiliates and the team members, you can also create, you know uh, query parameter with your team member name as well. For example, it can be Franjo, right? So for example, whenever people click on this particular link, it will be labeled that this particular link traffic is coming from this particular person due to the efforts of this particular person. So you can see how it is easy to label and see the growth and stats based on specific sources. Then comes the very interesting part, script part. So basically, script is used for link retargeting. For example, if you want to add add people who are clicking on your link into your Facebook ads target audience, or it can be Google ads target audience, you will have to put a script here in link manager. So you can easily get it on any of ad platform. There are help articles we have written in the link manager how you can get the script from your platform like Facebook and Google to add people. So get that script and add it in link manager. Then you can give it a name. Any, for example, this is one of our Facebook script as well. So put it there. So once you save this, it will, whenever there is person click on the link created by this particular brand, he will be added into your Facebook target audience automatically. Then there is a privacy notice as well. So sometimes it happens like you shared a shortened link with someone, and that link can be taken to another site as well. So you can also show a notice or pop-up message to them to just give you an idea this site is going to be taken there, or this site is the site is opening can be in United States, etc. So it can be any privacy notice that you can display to your persons that are clicking on your link and going to another destination. Then comes the team collaboration part, users. So you can add users in link manager, and invite them, your team members, to create links on your behalf and share with the in your campaigns, emails, or social media. You can see that we have Angel here from DealMirror. He can create links. He can view the stats and links as well. And then we can also give him the permission to modify or delete this whole brand as well. He can make the changes or add custom domain as well. So if you give them permissions accordingly, so you can invite as many team member as you want. Then we have domains section where you link your custom domains in link manager. So you can see it here. I have created a domain. I have a domain heyoma.com. So I have added it in link manager. I can create this on the behalf of my domain instead of link manager if I don't want to, right? So you can see there is very easy to do guide there in the link manager. You can just follow the steps. Our help article is also written there. You can just follow the steps, and it's very easy to set things up. So we hit the save button, and then we comes in the link, and now we are going to create a branded shorten link in link manager. So always you go to here shorten link, and then here you can see the brand from which custom domain you want to create the link manager from shorten link. So by default it's link mngr. So if you have a brand, you select it. Then you have to paste a long URL. Um, it can be, let's have one. Your website. Okay, let's say we have this article long URL. We come into the link manager and then paste it here. So now we can also shorten slug as well. So slug is basically the part that comes after the slash .com slash, right? So it can be enter in article, right? It can be like anything. Plus, you can also add tags so that you can filter out the whole links based on particular tags. When it comes to you are running a multiple campaigns on social media or or particular topic, so you are creating multiple links for that particular campaign. So you can enter a tag, give them a tag, so that you can filter out all the links right away, right at one click. Then let's shorten it up. So you can see that the link has been shortened from this long link to like these few characters link, and you can copy it and share it with your rest of the social media or your people. Further, all of the analytics will be shown here. You can share it with your team, and further you can also take action like delete this link if you don't want to continue with it or create another one as well. So that was all about link manager and how you can create a shorten link and the custom brands link as well, and also invite your team member and add custom domains in social link manager. Any questions?
Really great, Umar. First of all, congratulations, and after that, thank you so much for bringing this tool, Umar. Because do you know, I would like to share one my personal experience with you. I am just very much irritated with the Google Drive links, as we also said earlier. They used to be just 3-4 line long links, and when we used to just copy, thanks to the all copy paste option, otherwise they would have died typing that long link to the dashboard. So thanks to the link manager, I would say I have just also tried it. Whenever we just apply that long link and when we used to just short it with that, we just like, oh, we have got the heaven. How easier it is. So thank you for that, Umar. We would really like to congratulate you. This is indeed my personal experience, which I just shared with you instantly. We do have a very broader community of the business persons, entrepreneurs, and a lot of igniting minds, the new persons coming in, and they just want to know the exact use case for them or a few words about them, which you can say how it could be helpful for them or whatever you want to.
So yeah, so basically, actually, the thing is, we have been into. You can say that we are from the same community as well. So we are working on different for things like
Right,
link management,
right.
and we are also into the very marketing as well. So I can see and feel the pain of the my fellows as well. So that's why we go with it, and let's fix this problem as well, because we are facing it, so that we can realize it better, and we can solve this problem much better as compared to other things available in the market. So that's why I feel that link manager is going to be very good thing for them as well. So we are continuously making things more better in link manager. We have recently introduced 2 to 3 things in like link redirection, and then comes to tag spot as well. So we are getting the feedback from them as well. So we would love to hear from your community as well, how we can make it more better, and also how what features we can introduce to make ourselves more better and useful for you guys. So I believe that link manager will not let you guys down. Give it a try, share your feedback, and we would love to add further features based on the feedback.
Really, really great. Yeah, Kuhu, if you'd like to, you must be waiting for the next question that yes, I would like to ask something. Definitely you can go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to ask about the future roadmap, but he already has told that. So let's come to, does Link Manager track the shortened URLs in real time to make sure that they are as engaging as possible?
Yes, that's correct. Or also one thing, you also about the roadmap. Yeah, I have give you a bit of how we are things going. So currently we are also working on very exciting feature that is link in bio. Then that is we are. This is not just going to be link in bio feature, just link in bio. It's going to be much more than in the future. Like let's say you can still be able to receive payments as well. For example, there is an artist, right? He is putting a link in bio in their Instagram bio in their Instagram bio. So that people are coming there, right? They can and they can also buy them through the link in bio link as well. So they don't have to have, you can say, a website or payment process, etc. That is going to be a very big next thing that we have in our mind and going to be introduced, but it definitely will take some time, but that is something we are very big up to. So that is already not being applied by any tool in the market, and yeah, we are very hopeful for that addition.
You anything else, Kuhu, which you'd like to add on or just cheer up
Can
the
you
link manager
please
team?
explain, Umar, can you please explain the link retargeting feature?
Oh yes. So link retargeting is like retarget the person who just visited you, that link. This is the basic and simple definition of it. So for example, you shared a link in your WhatsApp group, right?
Okay.
And you want, so people are coming from there as well, right? So what if they do not get captured by the Facebook, right? Can be possibility for, or you can say that you are sharing a link of another website or another particular product, and you want to make sure that everyone who is interested and clicking on that link should be added into your target audience as well. So that is something that Facebook and other things are not that much possible, that we are solving through link retargeting. So it's like whenever a person click on a particular link, it will be added to your target audience of ad platform. It can be Facebook ads or Google ads or any platform, so that you can again show the ads based on relevant products, so that make sure that it's much more, he is getting into the funnel and you are getting most of the traction. Otherwise you can imagine that you share a link with your WhatsApp groups, or maybe your WhatsApp in the on in WhatsApp status, people click on it but they do not get tracked, right? So that is one of another simple, you can say, to make it more simple, this is another thing that we are solving as well.
Right.
Really
So,
great.
what an astounding tool it is, Anubhav.
Really, Kuhu, really. I would like to add two things, Umar. Do you know, I just quickly remembered these things. The first thing which you said is the statistics. We all know that tracking the data in a very systematic way is very essential. If you really want to grow further, if you want to grow exponentially. So, very important feature which you mentioned, definitely Link Manager is providing the people. Another thing which Umar, I would like to really mention the people is that Umar is very much customer friendly. He indeed works on the feedback given by the customers. Guys, the community lovers, I would really like to highlight this thing. Umar definitely take the things very keenly. Whenever you give a feedback, when a customer says something in the group, we directly forward it to the Umar. Many times he himself answer that, and definitely that particular feature or that particular thing is included in the tool if it's possible for him, and without any extra cost. So I would say that, Umar, I would congratulate you and I would appreciate you in this regard. Definitely. It's worth noticing here.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so
So,
much.
really
guys,
congratulations.
Link Manager is available at DealMirror at an amazingly low price and at a lifetime deal offer of $29. Please grab the offer before it fades away. Yes, Umar?
Yes, that's correct.
Right. Yep.
Okay, thank you everyone for being with us. I hope you have enjoyed today's session. And thank you, the webinar viewers and community members, Umar, and the entire Link Manager team. And we wish you a very good luck for the product success.
Thank you so much. Same for you guys. We are hoping the best from the DealMirror. Thank you for giving us a chance.
And
Thank
it
you.
was really a very nice talking with you, Umar. It's very nice, really. We have enjoyed the session ourselves.
Really. Thank
Same.
you.
Okay. Take care.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Great day.